Welcome to lecture number 7 of the course Python tutorial for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to see 4 basic operations that can be applied on strings and lists. There are 2 operations which can be individually allowed to apply on strings and lists. Such operations are string concatenation and string repeat, list concatenation and list repeat. In order to understand more clearly how string concatenation can be performed and how strings can be repeated and how list concatenation can be performed and how lists can be repeated, let us see some examples. Here in this case, I am creating a variable called as name and I will take 2 values. One string value is hello and one more value I will variable I will take, that is name1. Here I will mention it as Python. Now what I want to do is I want to display a statement saying it as hello Python. Means in this case I want to concatenate 2 strings, one string which is present in name variable and another string which is present in name1 variable. In this case simply I can write like this, name plus, which is going to work as a concatenation operator here. Why? Because I am writing in between 2 string variables, name1. Then just you press enter, you got hello Python. The other method to display the concatenated string is use the print function as print name plus name1 and you just press the enter button. Like this, string concatenation can be performed. Next is string repeat. In this case, I want to take a particular string, I want to repeat it, means I want to display it for multiple number of times. Let us consider one example. Here also I am taking a variable with the name Python. Python is my string. I want to repeat this string for 3 times. Means in this case what I can do, I can simply write like this, print name into 3, name into 3. Then what happens, you see, here you see Python is the word or the string which is repeated for 3 times. Means here asterisk or the multiplication operator, you can also use it with strings, but it is not for the multiplication, but it is for string repeat. So just like string concatenation, lists also be concatenated or joined using the same plus operator. Let us see how it is. In order to demonstrate how lists can be concatenated, we need to have 2 lists. One list I will create with the name list1 with the values 1, 2 and 3. I will create one more list, that is list2. Here I will mention it as 4, 5 and 6. Now the prerequisites are ready. We are ready with list1 and list2. Now let us print the concatenated result, means the result after concatenating list1 and list2. Now just you press the enter button. Now you can see a third list which is displayed with values that are present in list1 and also list2. Just like strings, a list of values can also be displayed repeatedly for multiple number of times. Just like we mentioned asterisk in the previous case to repeat Python word for 3 times, simultaneously the same asterisk you can use to display the list of values means the values in the list for multiple number of times. Let us take the example. List 1 equal to, I am assigning some values directly 1, 2, 3. Now what I will do is I will use the print statement and I will try to display or repeat. You can say it as repeat the values of list 1 for 3 times. So we can mention like this: list 1 asterisk 3. Then let us see the output for this. Here you see 1, 2, 3 has been repeated for 3 times as we mentioned it as asterisk 3. I hope you understood how string concatenation, list concatenation, string repeats and list repeat is performed using Python. In the next video lecture, we will try to learn the various built-in functions that can be applicable on lists.